Hey guys, thank you so much for joining back. It's been a nice couple of weeks for me. I have been receiving mixed reviews for the videos which I have posted earlier. So, some of them were very encouraging and motivating, the presentation and the quality is very good. But most of them were telling us that they don't understand anything since they haven't been into stock market or they don't understand what stock market is, right? So I just thought today, I might bring up a video which help new people understand what stock market is, right? So let me explain you guys with an real-time example so that you can relate. So I have Zomato opened up. So I believe most of them, know about Zomato, right? So we might have order food online at least once in Zomato, right? So to people who don't know about Zomato is nothing but online platform to order foods. So Zomato is being, widely used across cities, countries, even countries right now. So let me throw up the chart which I have for Zomato, right? So this is nothing but trading view. Here we can, view stocks, cryptos across the world, right? So it's not only, it's located in US, India, or UK. You can see stocks from all over the world. So it's mostly, used by all investors, traders to analyze stocks. Okay. So let me pull up Zomato here. So you need to type in Zomato so that you'll see our stock Zomato here, right? I will choose NSE. Let me explain what is NSE and what is BSE in India later. So I have prepared some, highlights for you to understand what Zomato is. So Zomato is nothing but online food delivering platform. So the first point is, it was founded in 2008. Okay, founded the business and it was growing and it was private. It was not public till 2021, which means, whatever the profit or loss earned by the company belongs to the CEO. Or it had two founders back then, and it was doing pretty good till 2014-15. And in July 2021, Zomato decided they are going public, which means public can buy or sell their shares. So for example, let me edit it here. The market cap is 50,711 crores, and I believe they should be owning around 20 to 30% of the shares to them, and remaining 70% can be, bought or sold by the retail investors or FIIs and other people like investors. So Zomato had been the IPO is nothing but initial public offering, which means in July they had the initial public offering. Let me pull up the IPO so that you can understand even better. Zomato IPO details. So here is the data for Zomato IPO. So in July 14 they have they had the Zomato IPO kicked off. So the share price for one share is 72 to 76. Okay, and the lot size is 195 shares, which means in IPO you can buy a lot, which means like you can buy either 195 shares. Okay, so you can multiply 195 into 76, you will get the amount, right? So it will be around yeah, it will be coming around 15,000. So you can buy one lot or two lot, whatever, with your capital. So this is the date, right? So it opened around July 14, and the allotment went in around July 22. So this is what happened back in 2021, right? So everyone was, crazy about Zomato, right? So everyone thought, buying the Zomato around the IPO price, which is 76, was a real big deal, and the subscription were oversubscribed. I even applied for Zomato IPO, but I didn't get it. So it was oversubscribed, and most of them were not able to subscribe to the Zomato IPO. So on the date is on July 21, right? Okay, the listing date is July 23. On July 23, Zomato opened in around, let me get rid of this. Yeah, around the price was around 116, right? So just imagine, like, if you got subscribed to a lot one of Zomato, which means you have spent around 15,000, and even on listing you will be getting the profit of 30,000, which means 100 percentage increase of your capital. So I understand, Zomato IPO, whoever subscribed to Zomato IPO were in profit, and it even moved till 167. The price was pumping till 167. And the other side of the story is, I'm on a weekly chart, right? So the other side of the story is, Zomato was oversubscribed, and overly it was spoken too much, and the IPO price was 74. It was 76, right? So it was overvalued, and people like analysts and stock market experts told us the value of Zomato should be around 30. So it actually pumped due to the craze of Zomato, which was mostly spoken across India. So since all the euphoria ends, the price comes back to where it should be, right? So it is trading lower right now. I am targeting 30 for the Zomato. So this is the other side of the story which you need to have attention on. So please don't follow the crowd, and have patience and do your own research. But market does whatever it can, right? So after some period of time, people were taking profits over here, and look what happened. Like, it was bleeding know till 40, and it has some relief bounce from here. So, and still it's bleeding lower. So I have decided, I might buy some Zomato shares around 30 here. So that will be a good buying point. So the conclusion of the video is, this is how stock market or uh, crypto market works. Crypto is very similar to stock. So here we say IPO, and crypto, we will say, right, ICO, which is like initial coin offering. So this is the basics of stock market. And when I started, I was talking about NSE and BSE, right? So NSE is nothing but National Stock Exchange, and BSE is nothing but Bombay Stock Exchange. It's nothing but we have two different stock exchanges in India. You can buy shares on NSE and BSE. So that's the main difference of both. And so maybe in the upcoming videos, let's see how to get started. Maybe registering with an broker exchange to buy shares and sell shares. Let's see how how it's been done in practical, so that you can understand really good. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the comments, and uh, for you to take time and watch my videos. I hope this helps, and please do subscribe, like, and share, and even hit the bell button, so that you can watch the videos instantly. So thank you so much. Bye bye.